Visit nature once again. Every day in the morning, the sun rises and the cheetah has to run fast and the deer has to run faster. If the cheetah runs fast, it will get food. If the deer runs fast, it will stay alive. So there are two types of fear in nature. One type of fear is called the fear of scarcity, which the cheetah has, कि खाना नहीं मिलेगा, I will not get food. This fear exists in human beings also, कि अगर जॉब नहीं मिलेगा तो how will I pay my bills, how will I repay my loan, बच्चों को कहाँ पढ़ाने के लिए पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे. So ये fear पशु में भी है और मनुष्य में भी है. The second type of fear is the fear of predator. Predator कि मुझे खा जाएगा, कोई मुझे somebody will destroy me. तो ये भय होता है कि कोई मेरा प्रमोशन छीन लेगा या कोई मेरा ग्रोथ को ब्लॉक कर लेगा. ये fear सब में होता है. ये थॉट को इंडियन कल्चर में इसको एक देवी का रूप दिया गया है. इफ आई वॉन्ट टू ओवर पावर द फियर ऑफ स्कैरसिटी, व्हाट डू आई नीड लक्ष्मी, द गॉडेस ऑफ वेल्थ. तो शी इज द गॉडेस ऑफ वेल्थ, शी इज द गॉडेस ऑफ हेल्थ, शी इज द गॉडेस ऑफ टाइम, ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई कैन गिव यू. सो लक्ष्मी लक्ष्य से आता है, ये मेरा लक्ष्य है. सो आई वॉन्ट मोर मनी, आई वॉन्ट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, आई वॉन्ट ऑल मटीरियल थिंग्स, जो भी गाड़ी चाहिए, घर चाहिए, धन धान्य संपत्ति चाहिए, दैट इज लक्ष्मी. इससे क्या होता है, फियर, अभाव का जो डर होता है, द फियर ऑफ स्कैरसिटी इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. द सेकेंड फियर इज द फियर ऑफ द प्रेडेटर, कि कोई मुझे खा जाएगा, मैं डिस्ट्रॉय कर लेगा मेरे को, तो मुझे सिक्योरिटी चाहिए. मुझे तो दूसरी एक गॉडेस होती है, वो गॉडेस का नाम है दुर्गा. दुर्ग से दुर्गा, दुर्ग मीन्स फोर्ट और अ प्लेस वेर यू फील सेफ, अ सिटाडेल, अ सैंक्चुरी. So when you sit inside a fort, you feel very safe. The goddess has weapons in her hands. Why does the goddess have weapons in her hands? Because it makes you feel safe. Things. When do we say that we feel happy inside a house? Not only because in the house, of course, you get food, clothing, shelter, people take care of it, but because you feel loved, you feel secured, somebody cares for you. And that is a very important emotional comfort. So not just material comfort, but also emotional comfort. और जब हम घर कहते हैं, इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ material comfort भी है और emotional comfort भी है. In fact, emotional comfort is more important than material comfort inside a house. कभी even if there is no food, there is a situation, घर में problem है, because people are together, that emotional comfort is what makes us feel we want to go back home again and again. This need is there, this emotional need is there in animals also. Even animals get afraid very easily, and you comfort them, they get calm. Animals also need food, they need shelter. But humans have a third need, which animals don't have. And this is what again makes us very special. So you must remember that why do we wear tilak and tika? To remind us that we have a brain, and our brain enables us to imagine. And the imagination creates amplification of fear. We are afraid, we are constantly afraid, wondering, जो आज है सब कल चला जाएगा. तो हम constantly we are seeking more security. And after some time we start asking ourselves this question, कि you see, we can imagine a world which exists without us. And we realize that without us also the world will survive. कुछ नहीं होता है दुनिया में. तो ये बुरा लगता है कि अरे मैं इतना काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं इतना अमीर हूँ, या इतना मैं इतना एजुकेटेड हूँ और इतना इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, बट रियली द वर्ल्ड डजंट केयर फॉर मी, द वर्ल्ड डजंट नीड मी. तो आपको लगता है कि मेरा जीवन अर्थहीन है, इट हैज़ नो मीनिंग, एंड वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली सीकिंग मीनिंग एंड वैलिडेशन. दिस इज आवर थर्ड नीड, एंड इट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट नीड ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग. पुरुषार्थ जिसको कहते हैं, मीनिंग. वी वॉन्ट मीनिंग इन आवर लाइफ. इंग्लिश में द वर्ड इज, आई विल गिव द वर्ड सिग्निफिकेंस. वी वॉन्ट टू फील सिग्निफिकेंट, कि मेरी भी कोई औकात है. हिंदी का वर्ड इज औकात, कि मेरा कोई स्टेटस है सोसाइटी में, मैं कोई कुछ तो हूँ. और when I will die, people will miss me, and people will respect me, and I have dignity. Even if you are comfortable, and even if you are safe, and even if you have got all the food and wealth in the world, we are always feeling the need for meaning and power. And that is our intellectual need. This intellectual need is something that we crave for. Initially when you start a job, people say, अरे जॉब चाहिए, so मतलब लक्ष्मी चाहिए. एक बार जॉब मिल गया तो हम लोग जॉब सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, तो सेफ लगता है कि रोज़ ये जॉब नहीं चला जाएगा, सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट है. तो फिर क्या होता है, हमको कहते हैं कि अच्छा अभी जॉब सिक्योरिटी मिल गया तो दुर्गा आ गई हमारी लाइफ में. उसके बाद वी विल से कि नहीं प्रमोशन चाहिए. क्यों प्रमोशन चाहिए? यू गॉट इनफ मनी. नहीं, प्रमोशन से क्या औकात आती है, एक स्टेटस आती है, मतलब मेरी सरस्वती में वृद्धि हुई है, देयर इज अ ग्रोथ इन सरस्वती. Happiness is what we need in life, and happiness is a combination of three things: Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga. LSD. L is material things, S is intellectual things, D is emotional things. And we want growth in our life in material things, in intellectual things, and in emotional things. जब तक ये तीन नहीं मिलेंगे तब तक हम सुखी नहीं रहेंगे. This is what the customer wants when he enters the shop. This is what the employees want when they work. Customer जब दुकान में आता है, so they want things, they want to buy some things. So that is material. So they give money, they take the thing. They also want emotional comfort. They want to feel important. So they don't like to stand in a line. They like the cashier smiling and talking to them properly, ताकि उन्हें लगे कि उनकी भी कोई औकात है, वो पैसे दे रहे हैं लेकिन उनको लाइन में खड़ा करा है तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. They don't like people. We don't like standing in queues because we feel, अरे we are not being given respect. We all feel good when somebody takes us out of the end of the line and takes us to the start of the line, because suddenly we feel important and powerful. Powerful is Shakti. Shakti is Durga. हमको पावरफुल लगता है. And that is just not enough. We also want growth in our life. We want to move from one position in life to another. तो executive के बाद manager, manager के बाद director. We want to keep growing because we want to feel that we exert more influence in the world. So three things that we need: L, S, D. Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga. All three things are important. We don't realize that all these three things can be given and taken. Whenever we talk about charity, या दान देना है, तो हम लक्ष्मी के बारे में सोचते हैं, पैसे देना है. But we can also give emotional. We can make people feel very comfortable. We can make people very powerful. कि उनमें बहुत क्षमता है. We can celebrate people's skills and talents, which we normally don't do. And third is we can intellectually grow. Our understanding of life can change. We can acquire new skills, go through training programs, reflect, introspect, and grow intellectually. So all these three things can be given. I can help you introspect, so I'm doing Saraswati Daan. I can help you feel good about yourself, I'm doing Durga Ka Daan. And I'm also enabling you, I'm helping you get a loan from somewhere, so I'm giving you Lakshmi Daan. So तीनों चीज का दान हो सकता है. But we don't think in those ways. We think there is only one currency in life, that is money. Now imagine if I give you all the money in the world and told that nobody in this class or in this store will look into your face. Whenever you walk, people should look the other way. How will you feel? Wherever you'll get all the money in the world, maybe 10 times the salary that you're getting, but nobody should look at you. How will you feel? You'll feel lost. You'll feel scared because nobody cares for you. So suddenly you'll realize Lakshmi is not enough for happiness. You also need attention. ध्यान चाहिए आपको. वो आपको इमोशनली सिक्योर लगता है. और ध्यान ही नहीं चाहिए. You just don't want people looking at you, घूर घूर के देखेंगे, stare at you, glare at you. You don't like it. You want them to look at you and say, अरे admire you, कि अरे अच्छा शर्ट पहना है या अच्छा काम करता है. We feel good. ये दुर्गा का, we feel powerful when we hear this. But even that is not enough. We want to grow. We just don't want to be admired. We want to understand ourselves better. कि मेरे weakness क्या है, मेरे strength क्या है, सामने वाले का weakness क्या है, सामने वाले का strength क्या है, कस्टमर को क्या चाहिए, हम और क्या दे सकते हैं. उसके लिए आपको रिसर्च करना पड़ता है, स्टडी करना पड़ता है. सरस्वती की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड इफ आई नो समथिंग अबाउट कस्टमर्स, यू विल से अरे ये कस्टमर आया है, तो सम पीपल यू विल नोटिस आर एबल टू फिगर आउट व्हाट कस्टमर्स वांट बिकॉज दे हैव मोर सरस्वती. एंड इफ आई कैन शेयर दैट विथ यू, व्हेनेवर यू किसी कस्टमर्स लाइक दिस, you should be aware that they are willing to spend money but they are shy of spending money. तो वो नॉलेज कहाँ से आएगा? नॉलेज का भी आदान प्रदान होना है. So happiness is about these three things: LSD, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, the wallet, the heart and the head. Three things. अगर आप खाना खा रहे हो और सब जाके everybody is eating one dish. Some people like more salt, some people like more pepper, some people like more chilies, some people don't like chilies. So everybody स्वादानुसार खाना खाते हैं. Everybody likes different tastes. In the same way, different people have different needs. When you're buying a house, Lakshmi is most important. When you have a house, Lakshmi is not that important. You will say, no, for me Saraswati is important because I want to achieve something in life. Some people will say, नहीं, because I don't want to achieve anything in life, but I want people to respect me. That is most important for me. मुझे दुर्गा चाहिए. So हर आदमी का needs अलग होता है. कर्ता का काम क्या है पता करने के लिए कि किसको क्या needs है, and working towards them. And if you think very carefully, most of the times you really can't give Lakshmi because company is giving Lakshmi. Saraswati, you can give some Saraswati because training program kar sakte ho, or you spend time with a person and teaching them. But the one big thing that you can give infinite, I mean, to give Lakshmi, I have to have Lakshmi. If I don't have Lakshmi, I can't give you Lakshmi. If I have Saraswati, I can give you Saraswati. So, Lakshmi, when I give, it goes out of my hands. Saraswati, when I give, it doesn't go out of my hands. So that is the difference between Lakshmi and Saraswati. But you see, both Lakshmi and Saraswati, you have to have it to give it. But look at Durga. Everybody has infinite amounts of Durga. We can make a person emotionally secure, and don't need anything. You can keep giving, and you don't lose it, and it keeps multiplying, because when you give, somebody feel powerful, that person gives it back to you. But that is the one thing that we give the least. So even if I can't give you L, do I compensate for it with D? Do I compensate? Some person will say, sir, मेरे को घर बनाना है, but the salary is not enough. You can't help them beyond a point. But can you make the feel, he really doesn't want a house. He wants you to feel secure. That is his primary need. The primary is not that house. The house is a symbol कि उसको insecure लग रहा है, and he wants to feel that he is safe and people are taking care of him. So that is the confidence that he wants more than the Lakshmi. Lakshmi is just a way of saying that I want confidence. And the ability to realize that is what a leader has to do. This cannot be taught. This is based on sensitivity. कितनी आत्मीयता है आप में, इससे पता चल जाएगा कि अरे इसको ये इसकी आवश्यकता है, उसकी आवश्यकता है. So LSD, giving LSD is an art. It is not a science. You have to figure out कि 100 रुपए से सुख होगा या just a good smile and a word of appreciation will make him happy, or just some knowledge, some self introspection that why is he so unhappy. That